Magandang umaga!
Masayahin ang almusal with Coco Crunch. Ang
Look at her in the spotlight. I love her purple hair. She can do what you want to. As crazy as she dares, she doesn't need to be.